Understanding price check, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase you might hear in shopping environments: price check. This phrase is useful in various shopping scenarios, and understanding it can greatly enhance your shopping experience in English-speaking countries. Let's get started. Price check is a phrase commonly used in retail stores. It is a request for verifying the price of a product. This phrase is typically used in two scenarios. 1. By customers. When a customer is unsure about the price of an item, they may ask a store employee for a price check. 2. By store employees. When a product's price is not clear at the checkout, the cashier might call for a price check to confirm the correct price before finalizing the purchase. When to use: when the price tag is missing or unclear. If there is a discrepancy between the price displayed on the shelf and the price at checkout. When you find an item in a clearance or sale section and the reduced price is not specified. How to use: politely ask a staff member, "Could I get a price check on this, please?" At the checkout, if there's an issue, say, "Could we check the price of this item?" Here are some examples of how price check is used in everyday situations. In a grocery store, a customer finds a can of soup without a price tag and asks an employee, "Can you do a price check on this soup?" At a clothing store checkout, the cashier notices a discrepancy in the price of a shirt and calls for a price check over the store's intercom. Understanding price check is not just about language, but also about cultural practices in shopping. In many English-speaking countries, stores are very customer service-oriented, and employees are usually happy to assist with price checks. It's seen as a normal part of the shopping experience. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, price check. Remember, it's a handy phrase to know for a smooth shopping experience in English-speaking countries. We hope this video has been helpful, and you feel more confident using this phrase. Happy shopping and see you in our next video.